Hello class 5. Welcome to your English video class, and today I'm going to start with the new part of the chapter which we had already started in the previous video. This chapter's name is Sound of Silence, and we have completed the page number 19, and today we are going to start with the page number 20. So if you have the book, so please take it out and turn to page number 20, and please follow the video. So we had started with this with the chapter, and we had learned also that Abhishek was a boy merely like your age, and he was very much disappointed with his parents because he made one aeroplane for himself, and unfortunately his younger brother, he broke it, and his father and mother did not say anything to the little one. So he was very much angry with them, and he left the house for that. So when he went to the road, he saw that there was a boy nearly his age, and he was going through the road, and the boy behind the boy there was a truck, and the truck was that blowing the horn, but that means the boy who was on the road, he could not able to hear anything. Maybe it looked like, it seemed like that the boy could not able to hear, and that is why he was not leaving the place. So at the crucial moment, Abhishek helped the boy. He pulled the boy out from the place, and the boy was saved. And after that, the boy actually showed Abhishek that he could not able to, somehow he showed that he could not able to speak, and he could not able to hear also. So now we are going to start from the page number 20. Later the boy walked away. Abhishek followed him to make sure that he reaches his home safely. So after that, after thanking Abhishek, the boy left him, and he went towards something. Okay, so Abhishek was actually a good boy, and he wanted to see that where the boy was going, for his safety only. Abhishek saw that the boy did not go to his house. Instead, he reached an institute named School for the Hearing Impaired. So Abhishek, it looked like that Abhishek saw that the boy did not go to his own house. Instead, that the boy went to some institute, and there it was written School for the Hearing Impaired. Okay, that means what does it mean? School for the Hearing Impaired. That means impaired means damage. Hearing damage means the people who cannot able to hear, those people went to that institute for anything, for any help or something. Okay, a teacher came running out of the school and started talking to the boy in sign language. A teacher was there, and the teacher came out of the school, and the teacher was talking to the boy who was saved by Abhishek. The teacher actually was not talking in how we are talking. The teacher actually signed something to the boy, and with the sign language the boy also could able to talk to the teacher. Suddenly the boy saw Abhishek and took him to introduce to his teacher. Suddenly the boy saw Abhishek, and he introduced Abhishek to his teacher. The teacher patted Abhishek's back and said, "Shantanu is a brilliant child, but is deaf and dumb." At this, Abhishek said, "I thought so, but I was not sure." So now we can understand why the boy was not able to hear anything on the road. That means teacher, when the teacher got to know that the boy who was on the road, he was saved by Abhishek, so the teacher patted him, the teacher thanked Abhishek, the teacher recognized Abhishek for his bravery. And then he told that the boy whose name was Shantanu, he was actually a deaf and dumb. Okay, and Abhishek also said that he could understand that maybe the boy was deaf and dumb, because the boy pointed out at that point. If you remember, the boy pointed out when he was saved by Abhishek. He pointed out at his tongue and his ear. So now the teacher said Shantanu has won Helen Keller scholarship. He is going to America. Right now, we are looking for a person to pay for his ticket to America. So what happened? The teacher said that Shantanu, who is a very brilliant boy, he is very brilliant. He is a very much what can I say, that intelligent also. So the boy also got the scholarship, and the name of the scholarship was Helen Keller scholarship. So, and now the boy is going to America, but the problem is that the boy did not have the money to go to the to America. So he needed the money for buying the ticket. Abhishek, without a second thought, said, I can give all my pocket money I saved for 5 years. The teacher said, it's a very kind of you, but we need a very big amount of money in a very less time. Already I have told you that it seemed like that Abhishek was a very good-hearted man, good-hearted boy, and when he heard that only because of the money, that means Shantanu would not be able to go to America for with his scholarship. So Abhishek, who he actually wanted to help the boy, and he said that whatever I have money, I got pocket money, so whatever I have got, I will give it to Abhishek, I will give it to Shantanu. But teacher, who was he was an adult person, so he could understand that with the pocket money of a boy who is in class 5, so obviously that pocket money would not help Shantanu. So he said that no, it would not be helped. So they needed more money, but within less time. Okay.